Did y'all see Miguel knock the mess out those two chicks at the Billboard Awards? Man, that boy hit a straight up like WWE Zack Ryder Rough Rider on them with straight bop. And like that girl fell straight down like one of them video games. This fool thought he was Prince. I know folks backstage was like, did he just jump across? We getting canceled. Miguel, you have made the Billboard Awards relevant to me again. Thank you so much. What made it so funny is that like he hit them two girls, they fell straight down, and the girl that was trying to help them up, he hugged. So instead of letting that girl help the girl you just knocked out, you hugged that girl. And from the scene I saw, that girl did not get back up. So yeah, you probably gonna hear about that after the performance though, man. I know Facebook, Twitter, and all that is on fire about that, man. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen later on tonight, man. I hope somebody does the people's elbow on somebody. Something, man. This was crazy, man. That stuff was good entertainment. My name is Chinadu, CHINEDU, and this has been PSA Radio, bringing you real news since last December. Thank you for your time.